So here is another question on solving quadratic equations through quadratic formula method. So here the equation is given 3a square x square plus 8abx plus 4b square is equal to 0. So we have to solve it through quadratic formula method. So here first we'll write the quadratic equation 3a square x square plus 8abx plus 4b square is equal to 0. Okay, if we compare it with the standard format of quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we have a is equal to 3a square, b is equal to 8ab and c is equal to 4b square. Okay, so here as per the quadratic formula, the roots of the quadratic equation are given by minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, where b square minus 4ac is called as the discriminant. Okay, so here we will calculate the discriminant first. So the discriminant b square minus 4ac, 8 ab square, that is b square minus 4 into a, which is 3a square, and c is 4b square. So it is equal to 64 a square b square, 8 square is 64, ab whole square is a square b square. So 64 a square b square minus 4 into 3 12 into 4 48 minus 48 a square b square, which is equal to 16 a square b square. So the discriminant is equal to 16 a square b square. Okay, so now the roots of the quadratic equation as per the quadratic formula it is equal to, the roots are minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac or the discriminant d by 2a, which is equal to minus b, which is minus 8ab plus minus root over of 16a square b square by 2a, which is equal to 2 into 3a square. Okay, this is the, now if we have simply substituted the values. So here it is equal to root over of 16a square b square is 4ab, root over of 16 is 4, root over of a square b square is equal to ab. So it is equal to minus 8ab plus minus 4ab, root over of 16a square b square is equal to 4ab by 6a square. So the two values are minus 8ab minus 4ab by 6a square or minus 8ab plus 4ab by 6a square. this is equal to minus 12ab by 6a square, or this is equal to it will be minus 4ab, okay, minus 8 plus 4 minus 4ab by 6a square. Okay, so here 6 plus 12 will be minus 2a, it will be a, so it will be minus 2b by a, first root, and here a with a square it becomes a, and cancelling it with 2 it will be minus 2 and 3. So the second root is minus 2b by 3a. Okay, so the two roots of the quadratic equation, they are minus 2b by a or minus 2b by 3a. Okay, these are the two roots, minus 2b by a and minus 2b by 3a. Okay, so here is another question on solving quadratic equations through quadratic formula method. So here the quadratic equation is given 4x square minus 4a square x plus a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4 equals to 0. So here, as usual, the first step will write the quadratic equation as it is: 4x square minus 4a square x plus a4 plus b4, okay, a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4 equals to 0. Comparing it with the standard format of quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. We have a is equal to 4, b is equal to minus 4a square, c is equal to a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. Okay, so here, as per the quadratic formula, the two roots of the quadratic equation, it is minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, so here b square minus 4ac is called as the discriminant. So here we'll calculate the discriminant first. Okay, so the discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac, so minus 4a square whole square b square minus 4 to 4 is a, and c is equal to 4 minus b4. So this is equal to sorry, it's a bit lacking. Okay, so it is equal to minus 4a square whole square. So minus 1 square is plus 4 square is 16, a square square is a to the power 4. So it is equal to plus 16 a to the power 4 minus 16 into a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. So equal to 16 a to the power 4 minus 16 a to the power 4 plus 16 b to the power 4 is equal to 16 b to the power 4. So the discriminant value is equal to 16 b to the power 4. This is the value of the discriminant. Now we have to simply put the values and get the result. Okay, so the roots are alpha beta is equal to minus b plus minus root over of d, that is b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, so it is equal to minus 4a square plus minus root over of 16b4 by 2a, that is equal to 2 into 4. It is equal to 4a square, minus minus is plus, so 4a square plus minus 4b square by 8. So taking 4 common, it is 4a square plus minus b square by 8. So it is equal to, taking cancelling for 2, is a square plus minus b square by 2. So the two roots of the quadratic equation, they are a square plus b square by 2 or a square minus b square by 2. These are the two roots of the quadratic equation, possible roots, a square plus b square by 2 and a square minus b square by 2. Okay, so this is the solution of the given quadratic